Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is network management. Let's start it. Network management refers to the process and activities involved in managing and maintaining computer networks included. First is network monitoring, real time monitoring of network performance and activity. Second is network configuration of network devices and settings. Third is network troubleshooting, identifying and resolving network issues. Four is network security, implementing secure measure to protect the network. Five is network optimization, optimizing network performance and efficiency. Six is network planning and designing network architecture. Seven is network maintenance, performing routine maintenance tasks. Network management involves using various tools and technologies such as first is network management protocol SNMP, CMIP, uh, etc. Second is network management system NMS. Third is network monitoring tools, Negotius, solar, wind, etc. Four is network configuration management tools, Ansible, uh, Puppet, etc. Five is network security tools, firewall, intrusion detection system, etc. Effective network management ensure first is network reliability and uptime. Second is network security and compliance. Third is network performance and efficiency. Four is quick issue resolution and minimal downtime. Five is scalability and adaptability to changing network needs. Here are some more aspects of network management. First is network automation, automating network tasks and processing. Second is network orchestration, coordinating and managing network resources. Third is network virtualization, creating virtual networks and resources. Four is software defined network SDN, managing network through software. Five is network function virtualization NFV, virtualizing network function. Six is quality of service QoS management, ensuring network performance and quality. Seven is network traffic management, managing and optimizing network traffic. Eight is network access control NAC, controlling and managing network access. Nine is network segmentation, dividing network into source segments. 10 is network forensic, analyzing network data for security and troubleshooting. 11 is network compliance, ensuring that network compliance with the regulation and standard. 12 is network documentation and maintenance, maintaining accurate network documentation. 13 is network training and support, providing training and support for network users. 14 is network disaster recovery, planning and implementing network disaster recovery. 15 is network continuously monitoring network security and performance. Let me know if you have a specific question or need further assistance. Also, I can provide information on following topics: network management solution and tools, network management best practices and guidelines, networks management changes and limitation, network management trends and further outlook. Here are some topics related to network management. Network management to IoT devices, and second is network management for cloud computing. Third is network management for software defined data center. Four is network management for virtualized network. Five is network management for 5G networks. Six is network management for edge computing. Seven is network management, artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning (ML). Seven is network management for cyber security and threat intelligence. Nine is network management for compliance and regulatory requirements. 10 is network management for digital transformation and modernization. 11 is network management for remote work and telecommuting.